Okay, you are welcome. Can you provide answer to this question in just a minute? This is WASSCE 2024 September edition. Question 14 says that the probabilities that John and James pass an examination are given as 3/4 and 3/5 respectively. Find the probability that both will fail. This is a compound probability. Both, simply put, what? John and what? James will fail. And n here means multiplication of their probabilities. So let's do the introduction. We know probability of, let's pick J age for John, which is the age in the name there. So probability of passing the exam is given to us as 3/4. So if John is passing the exam, it could also mean that we can find the probability at which John will fail. Failing and passing add together give us 1. That's probability property. So it means that 1 minus 3/4 will give us the probability at which John will fail the exam. Remember, taking a fraction from 1 means find the difference between the two numbers to become your numerator. 4 minus 3, 1. That is 1 divided by 4. So 1/4 becomes the failure of what? James. Then probability of James. This is John, right? James, we are using M in here. That will mean 3 out of 4, 5. Then the probability that James will also fail will be 1 minus what? 3/5. Difference between 5 and 3 is 2. So your numerator is 2, the numerator remains what? 5. The concept of subtracting a fraction from what? 1. Alright. So we are going to find probability of what? Both will fail. Meaning probability of this H prime and M prime. That's the probability of the two. And mean intersection. We can use the and there. We can also use intersection. Any of the two bring out the same meaning. So this becomes probability of H not winning times probability of M not winning. Which means the first one, 1 out of 4. The second one, 2 out of 4, 5. Don't forget 2 can go here 2 times, right? So 2 times 5, 10. 1 times 1, 1 out of what? 10. So in this case, our option becomes option A. And I'm sure you are able to understand the concept from where we started to where we have reached. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.